Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya. This is Raz. Welcome to Yoga Fitness. So today we're going to talk about one of the easiest pranayam, which is Anulom Vilom. So which is also known as Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. So precisely we are going to talk about what is Anulom Vilom, what is the science behind it, what are the benefits, how many ways we can do it, and what is the correct way of doing it. So as Anulom Viloma is also known as Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Nadi means the energy channel or the nervous system. Shuddhi means cleansing, and pranayam means the pranic energy or the oxygen. So as we know that oxygen is the very source of our life, which is the mediator between our mind and body. So if the oxygen is there, then we are there. Otherwise we cannot even think of a human being or any being without the oxygen. Okay. So this is also, Anulom Vilom is also known as alternate nostril breathing, because we are breathing in from one nostril, breathing out from the other one, and then breathing in from the other one and breathing out from the first one. Okay. So talking about the science behind it, we have more than 72,000 nadis in our body. So out of which 3 nadis are very important, which are Ida, Pingla and Sushumna. So left nostril is the Ida, right nostril is the Pingla, and Sushumna is at the backbone. The nature of Ida is calm, to maintain the cold temperature within the body, and Pingla is controlling or maintaining the hot temperature or heat inside the body. So the cold temperature and heat, the hot temperature, both are getting maintained by Ida and Pingla within the body. They are directly connected to our brain. So Ida is connected to the right brain, which is the creative brain. Pingla is connected to the left brain, which is the logical brain. So it's very clear that when we breathe in, we are taking more oxygen in. So the oxygen supply to our mind, to our nervous system, to our lungs, to our heart, to our digestion system, all the internal organs, our the body cells, everywhere the proper fresh oxygen supply is happening, which is why all the functioning, the internal functioning is improving. Mind becomes calm, cool, always focused, free of stress, anxiety. Even the migraine pain, sinus pain can be cured with the help of Anulom Viloma only. You get a nice sleep also if you have a sleep disorder. The lungs, the fresh air is going in. The health of a heart also, any heart disease also getting cured. Asthma is getting cured. If you have indigestion, liver, kidney, spleen, any problem with any of the organs also getting sorted. The blood is getting purified. The nervous system is also getting the oxygen. So you will never get any disorder, nerve disorder basically. So these are the benefits of Anulom Viloma. There are many more benefits. Now how many ways we can do it? So there are 4 main exercises that we can do for Anulom Viloma. So we are going to discuss about precisely 2. The first one is single nostril breathing and the other one is alternate nostril breathing. Both the exercises are made for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, then you should try these both pranayam. So there are 2 more exercises which are for the advanced student. So single nostril breathing and the alternate nostril breathing, how to do it, we are going to talk about now. Okay, so you'll sit at one place in any of the asana, Padmasana, Siddhasana or Sukhasana, whichever is comfortable for you. Always your back straight, erect, your head straight, chin parallel to the ground, left hand in chin mudra like this, right hand in Vishnu mudra. So this is the Vishnu mudra. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, now your hand should be parallel to your chest so that it doesn't get tired. If you do it like this, your hand tend to get tired after 2-3 sets. So if you are planning to do it for a longer time, then you can keep it like this so that it doesn't get tired. Okay, now remember that the correct way of breathing is making no sound at all. So slowly you need to breathe in and slowly you need to breathe out. So 4-second inhalation, 8-second exhalation. So always double the exhalation, because the more stale air goes out, the more space for the fresh air, you will have the fresh air, space for the oxygen within the body. Okay, so how to do it? Okay. Close one nostril, inhale. You can use your hand movement just to create the rhythm, because this exercise is for creating habit or rhythm. Okay, now inhale at the count of 4, exhale at the count of 8. So it's difficult for the beginners to keep the count of 4 and 8. That's why the hand movement comes into picture. Okay, inhale, exhale. Now the other one. So you will do it like 8 to 10 times one side and then close again. So again 8 to 10 times on the other side. So this is single nostril breathing. Now the alternate nostril breathing. So again the same process. Close one nostril, inhale with 4 seconds, close, exhale with the 8 seconds, slowly, without making any sound. Inhale, close, exhale. So this is alternate nostril breathing. So count, you can increase the count as and when you are comfortable with, even at the count of 5 if you are comfortable. So always double the count. Make it 10 at the exhalation. So this is the easiest pranayam. I hope anybody can do it. So you can subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, because many more videos like this I'll be making, so that you get a notification as soon as I upload the videos. Thank you so much for this video. Om Namah Shivaya.